Hi guys, what's up? Many of you may know that I have a car. It's a 2011 Opel Astra J. It's a sports tourer. It's a 1.6 liter turbo. It's an automatic. I bought it about 5 years ago. That's the longest that I've ever had the same car before. I've done all this basic service by myself. Oils, filters, suspension, brakes, stuff like that. In these models there's also quite much these kind of well-known problems. Some of those I already fixed before, and some of those are still there that I have to take care of in the future. One of those problems I will hopefully fix today, and for that I ordered this from Amazon. That was under 30 francs. It's a gear knob, and like I said, I have an automatic, so it looks a little bit different than normal, and there is a button. Should be pretty easy job to do, pretty fast job to do, and I think I don't need much tools, maybe something to remove some panels, chip ties, and something to cut chip ties. So let's do this. Oh, and by the way, if you like music, if you like metal music is maybe not my first choice always. I listen all kind of music, old school, heavy music, trance music, techno, pop, rap, everything. Sometimes there's a time for metal music, and check them out. They are pretty good. I will link my favorite song to this description of this video, so check it out. Now let's do this. First we have to take this away, natürlich. By the way, one of my cameras is Sony, so probably it's going to overheat. It's pretty warm here, but let's see. There is the cable. I think we don't have to take this away. Here is some just chip tie or whatever it's called. This we have to cut. Like so. As you can see, this is pretty bad. I don't know, maybe because of the sun or whatever, it's bad. I think now we just have to push this and pull it up like so, and that's now the new one. It looks similar. I picked up this one because I like this texture more. This old one is just smooth without any texture. I think that looks much better. That wasn't the cheapest model, but still it was way under 30 francs. Okay, let's see if it will fit. I think I have to press. Oh, like so. Okay. Seems to be working fine. Okay, chip tie. Let's pull this letter here. There is kind of a slot where it should go. Don't know if I have to big this one. I hope not. I think it will work. Like so. It looks pretty good. Oh, I have to clean this car. It's so dusty everywhere.